Question: what should a male in his mid-30s do if he has a low libido and cannot have a full erection? I'm looking for good sex enhancer pills for myself. This video will tell you the best natural way to eliminate male low libido problems naturally at home. Can a man get his libido back? Are you looking for the best sex enhancer pills for men? Well, in that case, Ayurvedic experts suggest the potent herbal remedy Kamdeepak capsule. This is a unique herbal remedy to increase male libido and performance in bed. It's a highly recommended and powerful herbal remedy. This capsule is a result of intense research and studies for several years. Therefore, if you are looking forward to a long-lasting solution, don't think twice before consuming this capsule starting from today itself. Since it's an herbal remedy, you don't need to worry about the side effects. Herbal remedies can induce side effects, and you can consume them without fear for the same. This capsule hasn't used any chemicals or synthetic substances to make it all the safer to use. Therefore, Ayurvedic experts suggest you start consuming this capsule as soon as possible. When we take a closer look at these capsules, we can see that they have used potent herbal ingredients, which we have been using for several centuries now. These herbs have been serving us for centuries now, which implies that this capsule is highly effective and trustworthy. You can consume it without the fear of side effects. It is one of the best sex enhancer pills for men. If you want to know how to get Kamdeepak capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Sexual weakness causes. What are the causes behind sexual weakness in men? Well, there are several factors behind it. In some cases, certain diseases can make for this condition. Side effects of specific medication also can lead to this problem in several cases. Poor lifestyle has to be one of the prime reasons behind this condition if we take a closer look at its causes. An undernutrition diet is also considered to be a significant factor when it comes to this condition. Well, as strange as it sounds, improper sexual behavior also can be a significant reason behind this condition if we dig a little deeper. Last but not least, psychological issues also can make way for this condition. Natural supplements benefits. Whatever be the cause, this capsule can go to its root and then provide a long-lasting solution. This capsule is one of the best sex enhancer pills for men. There are so many products available in the market today, but we can see that most of them are ineffective due to various reasons. The biggest problem lies with these products is that they all aim at temporary satisfaction. As you know, temporary happiness will not do in your case. You need a long-lasting solution to this problem. Well, you have the durable solution in the form of a Kamdeepak capsule. There are so many costly pills out there. I know they are effective, but they only once or twice. I'm sure that you are looking for something beyond that. Kamdeepak capsule is a highly recommended and popular product today to increase libido and performance in men. Ayurvedic experts suggest you start consuming this capsule as soon as possible if you are looking for a long-lasting solution to this problem. World's finest libido booster pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Kamdeepak capsules from ayushremedies.in. The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.